Ever wondered why Americans sound so fast? They're not speaking faster, they are connecting words together. Welcome to day 3 of Learning American English Challenge. Today, you're going to learn connected speech. It is one of the biggest secrets to sounding natural in American English. What is connected speech? Americans do not pronounce every word separately. Instead, they connect words together. Example, I tell you, want to becomes wanna. Going to becomes gonna. Like I said, today you're gonna learn connected speech. Let me, let me, let me, let me. Okay? So repeat after me. Let me. Let me help you. Say, let me help you. I'll give you one more. I want to learn American English. Repeat after me. I want to learn American English. See? I want to learn American English. Here, wanna is want to. Okay? I want to learn American English. Good. Keep practicing. I'll give you more words to practice in the comment. Stand in front of the mirror. Keep practicing. And remember, you are doing excellent. Consistency is the key to perfection. So be consistent in your learning process. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.